Namaste. Today I am going to explain you the Samyuta Hastas, the similarities and the difference between the Natya Shastra and Abhinaya Darpana. In Natya Shastra, Bharata has explained 13 Samyuta Hastas, whereas in Abhinaya Darpanam, Nandikeshwara given 24 Samyuta Hastas. So, we will see the Samyuta Hastas, which is also known as double hand gestures. That means by using both the hands, we will be depicting the mudra. They are called as Samyuta Hastas. According to Natya Shastra, they are 13, and according to Abhinaya Darpanam, they are 24. So, let us see. First one is Anjali Hasta. So, according to Natya Shastra, the Anjali Hasta sloka is Patakabhyam tu hastabhyam samsleshadangali smritaha devatanam gurunam cha mitranam cha bhivadane. So, Bharata is saying Patakabhyam tu hastabhyam samsleshat angali smrita. Angalis you have to join together. So, this is Pataka Hasta. All the fingers are joined together. That is called as Pataka Hasta. Now, let us see what Nandikeshwara has explained for the Anjali Hasta. Pataka talayoh yoga danjalih kara irita. Pataka talayoh yoga danjali kara irita. Devata Guru Vipranam Namaskare Shvanukramat. Karya Shiromukho Radhasto Viniyojyo Anjalir Bhudai. So, in this Viniyoga, what he said, that only when you are doing the Namaskaram, we say Devatanam Shirastastu Guru Namasya Samastitaha Pakshastaschaiva Vipranam Sheshetva Nemo Bhavid. That shloka also is from Anjali Hasta Viniyoga, what Abhinaya Darpanam Nandikeshwara has explained. So, he is also saying that all the fingers you have to join together, then it is called as Pataka Hasta. The second one is Kapota Hasta. Let us see the shloka from Natya Shastra. Ubabhyamapi hastabhya manyonyam parshva sangrahat hasta kapotako nama karma chasya nibodhata. Ubhabhyamapi hastabhya manyonyam parshva sangrahat. From the sides it should join. Hasta kapotako nama karma chasya nibodhata. So, hasta both together, anyonyam together, parshva sangrahat, from the sides it should join. He is not telling that in the middle part it should join. Only from the sides it has to be joined. So, there is a curve. This part is not joining together. You should not join. So, you have to separate it only from the other parts. You have to join it. This is the shloka or explanation from Natya Shastra. Now, we will go for the Abhinaya Darpanam, what Nandikeshwara has said about the Kapota Hasta. Kapota sakarogneya slishta moolagra parshvata. He is saying praname guru sambhasha vinayangi kritishvayam. So, Kapota Hasta is what hasta? When the two hands are joined at the Moola and Agra and Parshvata. So, it is at the Moola and Agra, it should be joined. Moola, Agra and Parsha. Then it is called as Moola means this is Moola. Agra means this is Agra and Parsha. Not the inner side. Only Moola, Agra and Parshvas. it should be joined. Then it is Abhinaya, according to Abhinaya Darpanam, it is Kapota Hasta. So there is no change in Anjali Hasta and there is no change in Kapota Hasta also in both these texts. So the third one is Karkataka Hasta from Natya Shastra. Angulyo yasya hastasya hyanyonyantarani smruta. Angulyo yasya hastasya hyanyonyantara anyonyam anyonyantara nisrutah sa karkata iti gneya kara karma cha vakshate. I repeat again. Angulyo yasya hastasya hyanyonyantara nisruta sa karkata iti gneya kara karma cha vakshate. So angulya, the fingers of your hands, anyonyantara, it should go from one to another. Such one is called as Karkataka Hasta. Now what Nandikeshwara has said, Karkataka Hasta from Abhinaya Darpanam. Anyonya syamtare yatrangulyo nispritya hastayo antarbahirva vartamte karkata so bhidhiyate. Anyonya syantare yatrangulyo nispritya hastayo. So angulya should be joined when all these fingers are. Bharata has not mentioned about this. This anguli, angushtaka should be joined. It is not there in the Natya Shastra. He just said all the fingers should be crossed like this, anyonyam. But here in Nandikeshwara, in Abhinaya Darpanam is saying, Anyonyasyantare yatrangulyo nispritya hastayo antarbahirvartante karkata sobhidhiyate. So this is what a slight only in Natya Shastra it is not joined. In Abhinaya Darpanam you have to join the thumb. That is about the Karkataka Hasta. The next one is Swastika. According to Natya Shastra, Manibandhana Vinyastavaralau Stri Prayojitau Utthanau Vama Parshvastau Swastika Parikirtita. So Manibandhana Vinyastavaralau, Arala Hastas at the Manibandha, at the wrist. It should be crossed. Okay, and he's saying it is used only by women. Sri Prayojita Utthanau Vama Parshvasthau Swastika Parikirtita. Above the shoulder we have to cross it. At the wrist you have to cross it. So that is Swastika Hasta according to Natya Shastra. This is Swastika Hasta according to Natya Shastra. Now what Nandikeshwara has said, let us see. Patakayoh sanniyukta karayormani bandhayo samyogena swastikakhyo makararthe niyujyate bhayavade vivade cha kirtane swastiko bhaved. Here the mudra is totally different. Where in Natya Shastra, Arala Hasta you have to join. Here it is Pataka Hasta. Patakayo sanniyukta karayor manibandhayo, manibandhas. Here you have to cross. So this is Swastika Hasta according to Abhinaya Darpanam. Whereas Natya Shastra, it is the Arala Hastas you have to cross, and in Abhinaya Darpanam it is Pataka Hasta we are crossing. That is the difference between the Natya Shastra and Abhinaya Darpanam. The next one is, after this, Kataka Vardhamanaka Hasta. This hasta is not mentioned in Abhinaya Darpana. So let us see what Bharata has said. Khataka khatake nyasta kataka vardhamanaka shringarardheshu yoktavya pranamakarane tadha kumudotpala vrinteshu kartavyashchatra dharane. So that is the Viniyoga, but the how you have to hold Kataka khatake nyasta kataka vardhamanaka. So one kataka mukhahasta should be on the other. Then it is called as kataka vardhamanaka hasta from Natya Shastra. This is not there in the Abhinaya Darpana. So what he has said, the next one is Dola hasta, what is there in the fifth order. If you take in Abhinaya Darpanam, Dola hasta is the fifth hasta, but here Natya Shastra it is the Kataka Vardhamanaka hasta. Then because we are first talking about the Natya Shastra, the sixth mudra, he said the Samvita hasta is Utsunga hasta. Let us see what Utsunga hasta. And this Utsunga hasta is mentioned by even Abhinaya Darpanam also, Nandikeshwara. Aralautu viparyastha utthanau vardhamanakau Utsanga iti vigneya sparshasya grahane karah. So, Aralautu viparyastha utthanau vardhamanakau. So, Arala hastas at the shoulder, if you hold it, it will become Utsunga hasta. So, Swastika hasta is at the wrist you are holding, but same Arala hastas only. But if you hold Arala hasta at the shoulder level, then it is called as Utsunga hasta according to Natya Shastra. Then in Abhinaya Darpanam, what Bharata Nandikeshwara has said about the Utsanga hasta, Anyonya bahu moolasthav mrugashirshakarau yadi Utsunga hasta sagneyo bharatagama vedibi. So, Anyonya bahu moolasthav. Bahu moolam is this. Bahu means arm, moolam, the beginning. Okay. Mrugashirshakarau yadi. You have to keep the Mrugashirsha hastas. Anyonya. It means crossing. Utsunga hasta sagneyo bharatagama vedi. So, in Natya Shastra, this is Utsunga hasta, and in Abhinaya Darpanam, this is Utsunga hasta. So, that is the difference between the Natya Shastra and Abhinaya Darpanam. Then, Bharata explained Nishiddha hasta as the seventh hasta, which is not there in the Abhinaya Darpanam. Let us see. What is the sloka? Mukulam tu yada hastam kapitta pariveshtayet sa mantavyastada hasto nishadho nama namataha. I'll repeat again. Mukulam tu yada hastam kapitta pariveshtayet. So mukula hasta is pariveshta means surrounded by the kapitta hasta. Sa mantavyastada hasto nishadho nama namataha. So mukula hasta is surrounded by the kapitta hasta. This is called as Nishiddha hasta, which is not there in the Abhinaya Darpanam. Okay. So the eighth hasta, what Natya Shastra Bharata Muni has said is Dola hasta, which is there in the Abhinaya Darpanam also. So let us see from the Natya Shastra first. Amsau prashithilau muktau patakau tu pralambitau. Amsau means from shoulder. Prashidhilau muktau, release it. Patakau tu pralambita, with the pataka hands. Pralambita means leaving down. यदा भवेतां करणे स डोल इति संज्ञतः. With the pataka hastas, you just keep it down, release it normal way. That is called as dola hasta according to Natya Shastra. Now we have to see in Abhinaya Darpanam what Nandikeshara has defined it. Pataka uru deshasthau dola hastoya muchyate. So pataka hastas only, you have to keep it at the uru, thighs. Deshasthau, at the place of, at the thighs you have to place it. That is called as dola hasta. Bharata has said you just leave your hands with the pataka hasta, that is dola hasta, and Nandikeshara said you have to place it at the pataka hasta at the thighs, then it is called as dola hasta. So there is not much of difference between the Natya Shastra and Abhinaya Darpanam. The ninth hasta, what Bharata has explained, is Pushpaputa hasta, which is there in the Abhinaya Darpanam also. So what is Pushpaputa hasta sloka? Yastu sarpashirah proktastasyanguli nirantarah dvitiya pashva samslishta sa tu pushpaputa smrutah. Yastu sarpashirah proktastasyanguli nirantara dvitiya, the second hand, parshva samslishta, from the parshva bhaga it should be joined. So two sarpashirsha hastas are joined at the parshva bhaga, then it is called as Pushpaputa hasta according to Natya Shastra. Now let us see what is mentioned by Nandikeshara in Abhinaya Darpanam. Samslishtau, join. Samslishtau means join. Sarpashirshau chet bhavet pushpaputa kara. He just said join two sarpashirsha hastas. That is called as pushpaputa hasta. So there is no difference much in the pushpaputa hasta both in the Natya Shastra and Abhinaya Darpanam. Then the 10th hasta is Makara hasta. Okay. This Makara hasta in Abhinaya Darpanam is mentioned as Matsya hasta. Okay, we will see Makara hasta according to Natya Shastra. Patakautu yada hasta urdhvangushtaavadho mukhau uparyupari vinyastau tadasau makara smrita. So, patakautu yada hasta, pataka hasta, okay, urdhvangushtaavadho mukha, like this you have to keep it. Uparyupari, one hand on the other, okay, vinyastau, urdhvangushta, angushta is stretched, up it is not with the pataka hastas, angushta is urdhvam, out it went. Up it went, isn't it? And you have to place one on the other. So this is Makara hasta according to Abhinaya Darpanam. Patakautu yada hasta, two pataka hastas, urdhvangushta adho mukhau, it should be adho mukhau. Uparyupari, one on the other, vinyastau tadasau makara smrita. So that is about the Makara hasta what Bharata has explained in the Natya Shastra. Now we are going to see the Makara hasta, which is called as Matsya hasta in Abhinaya Darpanam. Karaprushto parinyastho yatra hasta patakikaha kinchit prasaritangushta kanishto matsya namakaha. Kara prishthoparinyastho, kara's prishthabhaga uparit, up should come on the other one. Yatra hasta patakika kinchit, what, prasarita angushta and kanishta, both. Angushta is the thumb, kanishta is the little finger. These two fingers should be extended, spread. This is called as Matsya hasta according to Abhinaya Darpanam, where in Natya Shastra only thumb, Angushta, is stretched. In Abhinaya Darpanam, along with the Angushta, the Kanishta also is Prasarita, extended. That is called as Matsya Hasta in Abhinaya Darpanam. Makara Hasta in Natya Shastra. The next one, the 11th one, is the Gajadanta Hasta. कूर्पारांसोचितौ हस्तौ यदास्तां सर्पशीर्षकौ गजदन्तः स तु कर्म चास्य निबोधता. कूर्पारांसोचितौ. Kurpa means what? Elbows and amsa, shoulder. Okay, कूर्पारांसोचितौ हस्तौ यदास्तां सर्पशीर्षकौ गजदन्तः सतु कर्म चास्य निबोधता. So what you have to hold? Sarpashirshaka hastas. This, it has to be placed at the shoulder while crossing your elbows. This is called as Gajadanta Hasta, which is not mentioned in Abhinaya Darpanam. Okay, but it looks little similar, the Utsunga Hasta with the Mrigashirsha Hasta, he said, in Abhinaya Darpanam. But Sarpashirsha Hasta's crossing is called as Gajadanta Hasta. Then the 12th one, what Bharata has mentioned in the Asamita Hastas is Avahitta Hasta, which is there in the Abhinaya Darpanam also. But it is different. Let us see what is Avahitta Hasta according to Natya Shastra. Shukatundau karau kritva vakshasyabhimukhashchitau shanairadho mukha viddhau sovahitta iti smritaha. Shukatunda karau. So this is the Shukatunda kara. Vakshasya, at the chest part. Abhimukhashchitau. It should be facing each other. Shanair adhomukha, the hand is adhomukam. Vidhau, so avahitta iti smrita. So this is avahitta hasta according to Natya Shastra. Two Shukatunda hastas, adhomukha, and placing one opposite to other one is called as avahitta hasta according to Natya Shastra. Now, what is Nandikeshra has said, the shloka, Sola Padmau. Sola Padma means Alapadma Hasta. Vakshastitau va, you have to place it at the Vakshastalam, chest. Avahitta karo mata. So, in Natya Shastra, it is the Shukatunda Hasta, it is down, facing downward, and you have to place both the hands opposite to each other. Here, just Avahitta Hastas, you have to place it at the chest. Simple. Only this is Avahitta Hasta according to the Abhinaya Darpanam. But in Natya Shastra, this is the Avahitta Hasta. Okay. So, the last one, because I have told you in Natya Shastra, Bharata has explained only 13 Samyuta Hastas. Now, the last Samyuta Hasta, which is explained in the Natya Shastra, is Vardhamana Hasta. This is also not there in the Abhinaya Darpanam. So, let us see what is this Vardhamana Hasta. Jneyo vai Vardhamanastu Hamsapakshau Paranmukhau Jalavataya Nadinam Prayoktavyo Vikhatane. So, Jneyau vai Vardhamanastu Hamsapaksha Hasta Paranmukhau. I mean, like, when you fight each other, you will be, Paranmukha means turning back and showing. So, it should be the Hamsapaksha is the Hamsapaksha, Paranmukha. So, this is called as Vardhamana Hasta according to the Natya Shastra. Hamsapaksha Hasta, Paranmukhau. So, that is called as Vardhamanaka Hasta, which is not there in the Abhinaya Darpanam. Now, Now let us see the hastas what Bharata has not mentioned, but Nandikeshara has mentioned. So Pataka, Anjali, Kapota, Karkataka, Swastika, Dola, Pushpaputa. Pushpaputa and Utsunga also is there in the Natya Shastra, which I have explained you. Shivalinga Hasta is not there in the Natya Shastra because Natya is drama. We can show Shivalinga, the real Shivalinga only. But while doing the Nritya, you need the mudra. That is the reason Nandikeshara has added other mudras in Samhita Hastas. Not only in Samhita Hastas, he added Pashu Hastas, Jantu Hastas, Samudra Hastas, Bandhavya Hastas, Devata Hastas. Many he has explained. Now let us see what is Shivalinga Hasta. Vamertha Chandre Vinyasta Shikara Shivalingakaha. So he said, Vame, left. Ardha Chandre Vinyasta Shikara, right hand with the Shikara Hasta. This is called as Shivalinga Hasta. Vame Ardha Chandre Vinyasta Shikara Shivaling. Keep the Shikara Hasta on it. That is called as Shivalinga Hasta. The next one, Katakavardhana Hasta. This is almost equal to the Katakavardhamanaka Hasta in Natya Shastra. So he is saying Kataka Mukhayo Panyo Swastikan Manibandhayo. So Kataka Mukha. Here, Kataka Mukha is according to Abhinaya Darpanam, the Kataka Mukha is this. Isn't it? So, when you are showing according to the Abhinaya Darpanam, the Kataka Vardhana Hasta, Kataka Mukha Panyo, Swastikan Mani Bandayo. Two Kataka Mukha Hastas, you have to cross it at the wrist. Okay, so we usually hold this. So, Kataka Vardhamana Hastam means either this or like this you have to hold according to the Abhinaya Darpana. Now, the next one is Kartari Swastika. Here he is saying Kartari Swastika Kara Kartari Swastiko Bhavet. So, Kartari Mukha Hasta is this. What according to the Abhinaya Darpanam Nandikeshara has explained is the fingers should be the Tarjani and the Kanishtika should go back. Bharata said only the Tarjani and Madhyama at the Shlishta Bhaga down, the Prishta Bhaga it should be separated. But Nandikeshara has said in the Tripataka Hasta, the Tarjani and Kanishtika should go back. That is Kartari Mukha. That Kartari Mukha you have to cross it to be called as Kartari Swastika Hasta. The next one is Shakata Hasta. This is also not there in the Natya Shastra. Brahmarau Madhyamangushta Prasaracha Kato Bhavet. Brahmara. You know this is the Brahmara. Madhyamangushta. Madhyama and Angushta. These are the Madhyama and Angushta. Prasaracha Kato Bhaved. When you stretch and open these two fingers, it will become the Shakata Hasta. This is Brahmara Hasta. You have to hold in two hands, and the Madhyama and the Angushta, you have to separate it. Prasara. Then it is called as Shakata Hasta. The next one is Shankha Hasta. Shikharantargatangushta Itarangushta Sangata Tarjanadyas Tatah Srishtam Shankha Hasta Prakirtita. So Shikharantargata, Shikhara Hasta you have to hold. Shikhara, in the Shikhara, the Angushta, okay, with the other Angushta, Sangata, join. Tarjanadyas Tata Slishta, the remaining fingers, it is stretched up. So, this is Shikhara, this is Shikhara. So this Shikara you are joining, and the remaining fingers are up. Then it is called as Shikara Hasta. Two Shikara Hastas with the fingers you are joining, and this Shikara Hastas fingers are extended. So this is called a Shankahasta according to Abhinaya Darpana. Then Chakrahasta. This is also not there in the Natya Shastra. Yatrartha Chandrau Tiryaschavanyonya Tala Samsprishau. Samsprisha, touching. Tiryaschan, opposite way. Anyonyatala, same part. So Anyonyatala means this one. Tiryak. Okay, oppositely they are touching each other. What? Artha Chandra Hastas. Two Artha Chandra Hastas on the same part. They are oppositely, because this is like this and this is like this. So that is why it is used, the word is used Tiryak. And it is joined. So this is called as Chakrahasta. The next one is Samputahasta. Kunchitangulayashchakre prokta Samputahastaka. Kunchitangushta yaschakre. Chakre is what? This is the Chakrahasta, isn't it? In this Chakrahasta, Kunchitangushta yaschakre. Angushta and all the fingers should be kunchitam. You have to fold or bend. That is called as Samputahasta. This is Samputahasta. In the Chakrahasta, Angushtas and the other fingers you are bending, kunchitam, then it is called as Samputahasta. The next one is Pashahasta. Sucham nikunchite slishte tarjanyau pasha irita. So how you have to yield the Pashahasta? Sucham nikunchite slishte. Then tarjanya. Tarjanya means what? This finger. So Suchyam nikunchite shlishte means join. What? Tarjanya. This forefinger you have to join. Then it is called as Pashahasta according to the Abhinaya Darpana. And the next one is Kilakahasta. The sloka is Kanishthe kunchite slishte Mrigashirshe tu Kilakaha. So here the mudra, the hands are, when you observe all these Samyutta Hastas, you must have realized by now, we are using both the hands. Sometimes the two mudras are different, like Ardha Chandra and Shivalinga. For Shivalinga, Ardha Chandra and Shikara we used. Sometimes it is same, sometimes it is different. But ultimately we are using both the hands. Here you have to hold Mrigashirsha Hasta with two hands and Kanishte. This is the last finger. Kanishte, Kunchite and Slishte. You have to join. Then it is called as Kilaka Hasta. So in Mrigashirsha Hasta, the Kanishta fingers you have to join it by bending, bringing it down. So that is called as Kilaka Hasta. Matsya Hasta I have explained. Now Kurma Hasta, which is not there in the Natya Shastra. Kunchitagranguli. Kunchitagrangulis chakre tyaktangushta kanishtaka. So Kunchitagrangulis chakre. Chakrahasta. What he is saying? Kunchitagranguli. Angulas are bent. Okay. And what he is saying? Angushta and Kanishta should be out. To show the tortoise, the four legs. In the Chakrahasta, all the fingers are closed, like Samputa. And then what you are doing? Angushta and Kanishthas are opened, stretched, prasarita. So this is called as Kurma Hasta. The next one is Varaha Hasta, which is also not there in the Natya Shastra. Mrigashirshe tvanyantare so paryeka sthite yadi Kanishtangushtayor Dvaraha Kara Irita. So, two Mrigashirsha Hastas Anyatare Syo Paryeka Sthite. You have to keep one on the other. Kanishtangushta. Kanishta is the last finger, little finger, pinky finger, and Angushta is the thumb. These two should be joined. Now see, like this it is. Okay? So, two Mrigashirsha Hastas, you have to place it, but these two fingers, Kanishta and Angushta, you have to join. Then it is called as Varaha Hasta. To show the boar, it is used. The next one, 20th one in Abhinaya Darpanam is Garuda Hasta. Tiryak Stalasthita Vardhachandra Mangushta Yogata. Tiryak, turn it. What? Tiryak Sthita, in the turned position. Ardhachandra. Ardhachandras are Tiryak, turn, and Angushta Samyogata. Angushta you have to join. Two Ardhachandra Hastas, Tiryak, and join the thumb. This is called as Garuda Hasta according to Abhinaya Darpanam. The next Hasta, which is not there in the Natya Shastra, is Nagabandha Hasta. Sarpashirshau swastikau chet Nagabandha itirita. Sarpashirshau swastikau chet Nagabandha. By crossing swastika, by doing swastika, the two Sarpashirsha Hastas, it will become like Nagabandha Hasta. To show the pair of snake we do it, isn't it? So, in Nagabandha Hasta, Nandikeshwara said that the agra, the tip of the fingers should be bent. But Bharata has said even this will become inside the palm. Okay, this is from the Natya Shastra and this is from the Abhinaya Darpana. So, when you are doing Nagabandha Hasta, you should not do like this, you have to do like this. Okay, the next Hasta, the 22nd one, is Khatva. Khatva Hasta. Chature chaturamnyasya tarjanyangushta mokshataha. Khatva hasto bhave desha khatvadishu niyujyate. So, chature, chaturam. Two hands. You know, Chaturahasta, he is saying, Bharata said in center of the finger you have to keep the Angushta. But Nandikeshwara said you have to bring it to the end of the bottom of the Angushta. This ring finger. You have to bring it here. So this is Chatura according to Abhinaya Darpanam. And what is saying? Chature chaturam nyasya tarjanya angushta mokshataha. So you keep the two Chaturahastas. Tarjanya means this one and Angushta is this. Moksha, release it. So, two Chaturahastas placing one on the other, release your Tarjani, the pointing finger, and the thumb, Angushta. This becomes the Khatva Hasta according to the Abhinaya Darpanam. The 23rd one is Bherunda Hasta, which is also not there in the Natya Shastra. Manibandhe kapittabhyam bherundakara ishyate. So, Manibandhe at the wrist. Kapittabhyam, kapitta hasta, hold at the Manibandha. It is called as Bherunda Hasta according to Abhinaya Darpanam. Okay, Manibandha means at the wrist. Join the two Kapitta Hastas, which is called as Bherunda Hasta. The last one is Avahitta Hasta. I explained that Sola Padma Vakshastitau Avahitta Karomata. So, two Sola Hastas, if you hold at the chest level, opposite to your chest, it will become Avahitta Hasta. Whereas in Natya Shastra, Shukatunda Hastas, which is facing down, will be facing each other That is called Avahita in the Natya Shastra. So we have understood the 13 Natya Shastra Samyutta Hastas, what Bharata has explained, and here 24 Samyutta Hastas according to Nandikeshwara. I think you must have understood well. Thank you so much. We'll see in the next video.